is a lot. Oh my god. That's crazy.
That's a lot of clothes.
Look at clothes. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, one by one. Oh my gosh. Guess what, you guys? Oh my gosh. This package is special. Hold on, Ty. This package is special because Auntie Priscilla went on this website called patpat.com and she ordered a bunch of outfits from patpat.com. So I'm just gonna go ahead right now and figure out all the outfits that she ordered. Hold on, Ty, with you guys and just show you them. So everything you're gonna see as of right now from this big package is from Auntie Priscilla.
Hi Faves, c'est Tyler, il a parlé.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Wait. So we are back from vacation and we have a bunch of mail that we need to open and figure out who they're from. So we have an unboxing to do. Baby's gonna cut, Tyler's gonna take out, and I'll figure out which of you love it's from. First, this one.
It don't have any people.
This one is from. Who is this from? Auntie who? No. This one is from Auntie Miriam and Tonto Nico. Our friends that we were vacationing with gave us two gifts, two surprise gifts. Though they already sent us gifts. Wait, patience. Hey, Mama said, wait, right? So this is a heart to go somewhere in baby girl's room. So this is from
Auntie Miriam
and Tonto Nico for baby sister. And we love this one. Yeah, we love it. Tyler, just hold it and say, Mama, let's kiss in the heart. That's what you said, right?
Yeah.
And we kiss in the heart and take pictures on the phone.
Yeah.
I'll insert one of those pictures and show you guys. Come, let's kiss in the heart. Come, tell Papa join in. Papa join in. Our next gift is one of the most important gifts that you guys been waiting for. So, listen keenly. This is a hint of baby girl's name. And you guys will know why I say it's a hint of baby girl's name. So I'm gonna open it. Tyler's gonna take it out and show you guys what the hint is. And now you guys can go ahead and comment down in the comment section and see which of you gonna guess her name right. So the first hint of baby girl's name
is
an S.
Yeah.
It
Is
starts
an
with
S.
It starts with an S.
Yeah. So tell them, you have to guess what it is.
You have to guess what it is.
Because I know.
And me too.
And we're not gonna tell you.
And we do tell you.
Alright, so that's a hint of baby girl's name. This is a pillowcase from our friends Miriam and Nico. I think I was holding it wrong. So there goes. An S.
Papa?
So comment down below and see if you guys can guess what baby girl name is. Okay, you guys, let's do this. I'm gonna pass them on to Babe when I finish, and Babe gonna put them over there because it's gonna be a lot. So let's get this unboxing going. Okay, I think I know who this one is coming from. Drum roll. This is a maternity robe that was on our registry. No, it's not a headband. This one is to tie the robe around Mama's waist like this. Just like the white one that Mama loves to wear.
Yeah.
Alright. So this robe is black and grey and it's coming from my girl Shanique. It was on the registry and she purchased it. Thank you, Shan Shan. I love it. It looks so comfortable.
Who this one come from?
Auntie Shanique.
Okay.
So thank you, Auntie.
The big one I can open it all by myself.
No, Papa gonna cut it and you gonna take out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, one by one. Oh my gosh. Guess what, you guys? Oh my gosh. This package is special. Hold on, Ty. This package is special because Auntie Priscilla went on this website called patpat.com and she ordered a bunch of outfits from patpat.com. So I'm just gonna go ahead right now and figure out all the outfits that she ordered. Hold on, Ty, with you guys and just show you them. So everything you're gonna see as of right now from this big package is from Auntie Priscilla. All right, wait, one at a time. Mama gonna open this one first and you take out. Look, this one, take out and give it to Mama. Okay, so this is a hat. Cute. It's pretty, doesn't it? Now that's the hat. Okay. Oh my god. That's a headband. And this is an outfit that says Daddy's Princess. Is she?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. And that's the pants. So that's a full outfit. Onesie, pants, headband, and hat. So that's outfit number one from Patpat. And I'm just gonna put these here because I'm definitely gonna give her a call right after this video.
Let's see.
Okay, you go. So this is a Patpat haul right now. All of these outfits that I'm showing you is coming from Patpat. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh. How it have a headband too. Oh my god, this girl is going to be so stylish. Priscilla. Oh, I'm not gonna cry. Look at this one. That's the headband. And that's the outfit. So cute. Okay, this one. And that's from Patpat too.
That's all from Patpat.
Yep. Okay. This is a little rubber bomb pants. And the shirt to go with it, the blouse. So cute. Oh my god. And her little headband. So cute. And that's another one from Patpat. And this one is, of course, a 3-piece set. I'm trying to see how much months. I think it's 3 months. This one is 3 months. And the other two was 3 months too. Okay, this one. 3 to 6 months they are. This one, another Patpat outfit, is a top that says, Mama is my best friend.
And you're my best friend too.
Mama is my bestie. I know.
You're jealous?
Ever be my bestie. Stop asking that. Mama is my bestie. Oh my gosh. Look at these pants. How cute. Jeez. Well, Patpats, I've always wanted clothes from your website. Mission accomplished, and I am not disappointed at all. And that's the headband. So cute. So that's Patpat. I think this is 6 to 12 months, this one. Because it looks
Some remain. Oh.
it's a lot in there. It's about 11 different outfits. Come. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look how cute. Look at that hat. Oh my gosh. So cute.
And this?
And look at her little shorts.
Papa, extra.
And this is a top. Priscilla went all in. Jeez, this is 12 months. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Priscilla sending this girl in style. All right, you go. Baby's not feeling so well. He's having a headache. Need some fresh air. Okay, this one says new to the crew. So cute. Same 3 to 9 months. So adorable. And it goes with this hat right here and the pants to match it. So adorable. All right, nice. And the material from this Patpat clothes feel really nice. Ain't no joke. I would tell anybody to shop with them. All right, this is the pants, 9 to 12 months. That's the pants. That's the headband. The material feels so good. And that's the onesie top to go with it. Feels really nice. Thank you. All right, in the other package, we have this one, which is 9 months. That's a cute little top. And it have a rubber bum on this to go with it with a bow on the back. Oh, and it also have a headband. So adorable, my gosh. Look at that. So cute. I'm in love with this. And the material feels so good. Feels really good. Okay, next one. You can manage to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's me.
So this is definitely a huge Patpat haul right now. This is the headband.
Huh?
That's the ruffle on these for it.
This is not.
And this is the onesie. And the onesie says, I'm my daddy's girl and my mommy's world. Hey! I love it. Love it. Jeez, Priscilla.
No. I can magic.
Priscilla, what am I gonna do with you? What am I gonna do with you? Love you so much. Priscilla went all out on this website. Okay, all out. All right, this is another one. 12 months. And that's the top. Like I said, the materials feel really nice. This is the pants. So cute. Have a little tie at the side. And this is the headband. Adorable much. Okay.
I can magic to open it. I always can magic to open it.
You're a big boy.
Yes.
Okay, this one is a 1 year and it says bonjour en français. It's in French. It says hello in French. So cute. So that's the top.
A little bit.
And that's the pants. It's so adorable. Baby girl have clothes for next, not even winter coming, but the following winter. Winter 2020, okay? No. Alright, this one.
Princess Anka.
Yeah, because baby sister is a princess. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that.
Mama, there is a headband.
Oh yeah. It have a little duck on it, and she have been having like a duck theme going on. Yeah, baby, it's pretty. Look at this. Oh, adorable. With a little tutu around it. Oh my gosh. And look at these shoes that it comes with to match. I have the little shoes to match.
No, Mama.
How cute. Alright, this one says Daddy's main squeeze. So hold on. All of these clothes saying daddy, daddy, daddy. What's good, Auntie P? What's good, huh? Wait, Ty. This said Daddy's main squeeze. 6 months. And here's the pants to go with it. So adorable. And this is the headband. Alright, you guys. So that's all the things from Auntie Priscilla from patpat.com. Oh my gosh. Can everybody say thank you, Auntie Priscilla?
Thank
you, Auntie Priscilla.
Who said everything?
Who sent everything?
Yeah.
All this come from Auntie Priscilla. Alright, this package, let's see who it's from. So that was the end of patpat.com.
Quack, 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 quack.
I know what this is, but I can't show you guys. The next package is the letters for baby girl names, so we can't show you.
That would be more than a clue.
That would be more than a clue. Okay. Wait, baby, Mama have to open this one first. Wait.
That's okay.
Ty, be careful. Come, take it out. Okay, this is a little hat, which recently added to the registry, which I super love. But I have to check to see which of the girls this one is coming from. This one is coming from Shanique. I think Shanique ordered a bunch of these for baby girl. So thank you, Auntie Shan. This one is coming from Auntie Shanique. This one is similar but a different color. Let me see who is coming from. Also coming from Auntie Shanique. So adorable. Can't wait to put baby girl in them. And this one is also coming from Auntie Shanique. So all 3 of these hats are coming from Auntie Shanique. Thank you, Shan. Oh, we have more Patpat outfits coming. Okay, this one is also from Patpat. And it says, if mom says no, my aunt will say yes. That is spot on, Priscilla. I said no and she said yes.
That's so her.
That is so Priscilla. No, she said yes and it show up at your door. So that's the onesie. And this is a top. So cute, so adorable. I love it. And this is a little panty to go over Pampers. So cute. Alright, so that's all the things we got. Tyler, Mama talking. Stop.
I'm gonna cry.
You're gonna cry?
Yes,
Why are you gonna cry?
because everybody said I don't.
You don't have to cry. It's okay. We're just happy and thankful, alright?
But the
Yes, they did send a lot.
That's
We are grateful. This is a lot. Oh my god. That's crazy.
That's a lot of clothes.
Look at clothes. Oh my god, look at that. My gosh.
Beep. No.
My heart is full.
Ba.
Thank you, Priscilla. Thank you, Shanique. But this was all Shanique and Priscilla alone?
Yeah.
And our friend Miriam and Nico?
And
but all the clothes is from
Pat,
Shanique
Pat.
and Priscilla.
This
Oh
Patpat
my
one.
gosh. It's all Patpat. Patpat everything. Thank you guys. Thank you ladies. We appreciate every single bit. Every single thing. And I can't tell you thanks enough, Priscilla. I can't tell you thanks enough. I can't wait to meet you in person one day to just give you the biggest squeeze. Thank you. And I pray that you will get your blessing back in abundance. And everything that you hope for in this life, you'll get. Gratitude, my love. I love you. And I'm going to call you right now. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this haul of Auntie Priscilla, Auntie Shanique, and everybody else who sends stuff. Love you guys. Catch pan, keep up. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. What do you think the S stands for in baby girl name? We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys. Tell us bye to the face.
Bye.